Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well and making a good profit with the help of our non-martingale signals. Now, let's get started with our video. We've received many requests to make a video about SNR retracement and how you can use it to take trades. In this video, we will show you how to take trades using SNR, support and resistance retracement. Let's dive in and find our first trade. I have $100 in my account. Let's look at American Express OTC. We have a trade for an upside move. Here we have a support level that was broken by a green candle. The candle is now trying to retrace. So I placed a trade for an upside move on American Express OTC worth $100. This was my first trade. If you look at the chart, you can see that the candle is facing resistance from the level it broke, and now it's trying to take support from there. So resistance becomes support, or you can say this is a retracement trade. The trade is currently going in our favor. We still have 30 seconds left. Just a few seconds and I won my first trade. Now my balance has increased to $192. Let's find a trade for $192. We have a trade here on Facebook OTC. There's a support level that I drew earlier, and the candle is now facing resistance from that level. If the candle is too far from the support, we'll either wait for the candle to come back to the support level or find a trade on another asset. The candle closed as a red candle, so I placed a trade for an upside move on Facebook OTC worth $192. You'll see that the candle is taking support from the level it broke. Then the candle faced resistance, broke the level again, and now the candle is trying to take support from that level again. This is also a retracement trade. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, but we still have 25 seconds left. Now the candle has reversed and is taking support exactly at the level. The trade is now going in our favor, but we only have 10 seconds left. Just a few seconds, and I won my second trade. Now my balance has increased to $368. Let's find a trade for $368. So how does retracement work? When a candle breaks a support or resistance level, it comes back. At that point, you'll see either a green or red candle, and then you take the trade in the opposite direction of the trend. Let's find another trade. On FedEx OTC, we have a trade for a downside move. I placed the trade for a downside move on FedEx OTC worth $368. Here we have a resistance level from the back. It acted as a support level before, and now it's been broken. The previous candle closed below the level, so I took the trade for the downside move. Now the candle has reversed and the trade is going in our favor. We only have 5 seconds left. Just a few seconds. And I won. I won my third trade. Now my balance has increased to $707. Let's find a trade for $707. On American Express OTC, we have a trade for an upside move. I already took a trade here and won, so I placed another trade for the upside move on American Express OTC worth $707 from the same level where I took the previous trade. You'll see that the candle is also taking support from that level. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 35 seconds left. You will notice that the candle broke the level and converted the resistance into a support level. With just a few seconds left, I won. I won my next trade. Now my balance has increased to $1,357. Let's find a trade for $1,357. On Intel OTC, we have a trade for an upside move. So I placed the trade for the upside move on Intel OTC. You'll see that there was a support level I drew earlier and it acted as a resistance level. However, now the candle broke it and you can see a red candle, retracement candle, that closed above the level. That's why I took the trade for the upside move. The trade is going in our favor right now, but we still have 35 seconds left. Only a few seconds left and I won. I won my next trade. Now my balance has increased to $2,606. It's a great amount that I made and I hope you understand how retracement works. If you want more videos on this topic, comment down below. If you enjoyed the video and found it valuable, hit the like button, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to earn with me, you can text me on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.